Hey y'all, working on a 09 G5. I just want to show you something here. These vapor barriers, they're here for a reason, especially on these cars. I mean, even if the glue's loose down here, they'll leak water into the car. But what I really wanted to show you is whenever you put in these aftermarket piece of shit speakers, for whatever God knows reason, these are sealed for a reason, for the same reason this is. You'll get water intrusion into the car, then you'll think, oh no, my windshield's leaking, or oh no, maybe something under the dash is going bad or something like it. No, it's because you just put these stupid things in. Yeah, it's all fine and dandy if you want to put them in right, but you'll get water out of the top of here. It'll run down, come out of here, or down out of the bottom of this, come over the seal, down in between here and the seal, and go onto the carpet. But just wanted to show you that, because the factory has like this I don't know, enclosure type thing. Then this is all foam, and that stops it from, well, leaking. But yeah, just wanted to touch base and show you guys that. But yeah, whenever you work on a door, even, I think I had a video of one of these that the door won't open. Is real common on these. Just a little bit of lube goes a long way. Remember that. But and whenever you work on these doors, just make sure a little bit of lacquer thinner on this here, and it'll stick like there's no tomorrow. But yeah, always put these back on. Be careful not to rip it. If you do, yeah, see, like right there, that would be a spot where it'd leak. Which I'm really surprised this car. It's a little damp. It's not wet, but it's damp. That's probably because it's wintertime in Pennsylvania and getting in and out of the car with wet feet. But yeah, just make sure that goes back on there. Thought I'd share. As always, thank you for watching. Let me just add to this. It's not the speaker that's a piece of crap. I mean, it's actually, I don't know, probably a good speaker. It's a Pioneer. It's a TS165P. Okay, well, it still has a factory head unit. So I don't know what you're expecting to get out of this. Maybe the factory speakers blowed out. That was common too. But the way you put them in, I mean, come on. Jeez. Freaking, I don't know what to say. Garbage. Now I gotta find a factory speaker and a plug. Fantastic. Have a good day.